Do you know wolves are said to be one of the animals that has high loyalty? This is proven by his loyalty to his partner, because wolves are monogamous, where they will only have one partner during their life. Apart from having high loyalty to their mates, wolves also have high loyalty to their group. If a wolf is injured or sick, the other wolves will hunt for it and also look after it until it recovers. A mother wolf can give birth to up to 11 wolf pups. When born, wolf pups will be fed milk for 10 weeks. Once they are considered big enough, they will learn how to eat food that has been mashed by their mother.